Mark. Miss Dunlops are hooking up. Let's go to the Let's load it up and get it on the dirt now. The rain's coming. Good.
Damn. I had at least another 6 to 9 hours in that oil for sure.
Stay on. Try to ride it all the way up.
Woo! Hitting her with that factory oil change. Sheesh. Now for a little wash. You guys want the best way to clean these white plastics up? Moto scrubbers, dude. Motoscrubber.com. Look at that.
Day since last accident.
What are we getting done, Tim? A little bike work?
Maybe.
A little bike work hitter? Hell yeah, what are you doing with the 8 under there? Beats the fuck out of me.
Where am I going?
That's for your oil filter, dude. Grab that 13 and unscrew your plug.
I'm sure she's gonna come pissing.
Yup, crank her like that. Perfect. Perfect. This is the part of the night where Tim dumps oil all over my garage floor. It's everyone's favorite. Switch from buttery to a little WD. Really working that wrench. What do you got going on down there?
Angled that way. Fuck KTM, dude. I'm fucking. That's clean.
Yeah, dude, you had another 6 to 9 hours in that oil.
Yeah, at least.
Tim, watching you work is fascinating.
Do you remember what happened last time we did this?
Yeah. Pull that plug out. Oh yeah, dude. Little KTM factory rider tip. Snap ring pliers to take out the oil filter. No, you gotta take the cover off first.
Without it?
Yeah. Just throw that across the garage floor. Fuck that thing. Let's get this thing out of there now.
Oh, yeah, dude.
That was sweet.
Good.
Hell yeah, dude. You want to kick this thing around some more or what?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Hell yeah.
Skeeter. Skeeter. Yeah.
Change that way too soon.
A little metal in it, maybe? Is that what that is?
See, the best technique is after you clean something off, toss it right back into the dirt. Yeah, no, just add another finger. Yeah, so you're changed 4-finger tight, so that's mint. Because they just say like measure it with your fingers, so you just gotta add an extra finger.
Or you could even just be, you know.
Yeah,
right
or
there.
yeah. So I'd say that's fine. Like really, I don't get why people tighten their chains if you can just keep adding fingers. Little linkage guard. No more linkage banging.
No more linkage banging.
You upset about that?
Kind of.
Hey, good morning, guys. So it is 5 a.m.
Road, who is she? I need to keep being paid for that while doing it.
It's a little slip.
Tim took one for the.
That's the only real part with rims.
Yeah, he's good. He took the first one for the team today.
Good to go?
Yeah.
All right, boy.
Can I go over it as you're going over it? Oh, okay. I'd go up where Ethan went up. Woohoo!
Watch out.
Oh. Slide into that hole. Yeah, there you go. The perks of being 6 foot tall and with a 450. How'd it feel letting that 450 eat?
He eats. The one he just got stuck on.
Am I gonna step you over here?
As long as you don't mind a bike in your face.
He's got no weight on it, dude. It's just naturally.
Oh, watch out, that corner's slick. She's still going. Was your GoPro going, Tim?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, don't go back down. Also, don't decapitate Ethan with your bike.
Attaboy Timbo! Good rip though. Missed that. Dude, I'm telling you, I just gotta throw up.
Yeah.
Once I throw up, I get so much more confidence.